Hello, this is Stefan Armstrong with LedgerLine Professional Corporation. Here to give an updated video on how to navigate the CRA website if you have a corporation. I'm not going to go through everything on the CRA website, just the items that I use about 90% of the time. Number one on my list would be mail. So under correspondence, there's mail. If you click on this button, you can look at your mail that you've received from the CRA, and you can actually click on that. You can click on any piece of mail in order to be able to print it off or reference it. This is really helpful if you've missed a piece of mail or if you're not quite sure what has happened or if the CRA is calling you. You can always take a look at this to see if anything has happened. Next, I would go to GST HST. You can click on, you have to click on the RT0001. And then through here on the main screen, you have your expected returns and filed returns. So this is everything that's been filed for GST. This is the next one that is expected. The next item here that you can look at is view account pay balances. And you can click on any one of your returns to be able to get the details of those returns also. After GST, if you scroll down a little bit, it is payroll. If you click on the RP0001, here you can look at the returns. This allows you to see all the T4s that you have submitted and the status of them. You can also click down here to be able to look at the details of those T4s. You can also look at view and pay account balance. And in here, you'll be able to see all your payments you've made on your source deductions and then how they've processed that. I don't find it very intuitive in terms of being able to figure out where you're at for the current fiscal year, but all the information will be there. That's what I use for payroll. Corporate income tax would be next, the RC0001. This under the returns, it has your filed returns. So everything, it tells you the status of your returns, whether they've been filed. And then you can also go down and look at view an account pay balance. And then from here, you can look at all your year ends and you can click into there to get more detail on what is overdue or what if you're up to date and what you have paid in the past. Below that is the information return. These are T5 dividend statements. So you click on the R0001 and you can see your T5s that have been processed, and you can actually click down and get the details for those. So those are the main items that I look for when I'm typically going through my CRA account. Hopefully that helps in terms of being able to navigate. I know they have recently changed it, so I thought I would do an update video. Thank you.